everyone, I'm Urvi. Hope so you all are fine. So today's topic will be voice changes. Voice changes means active to passive and passive to active. If you have not watched my previous video which was about active and passive voice, go watch it before this video because you will not be able to get this topic. The link is in the description box. Let's get started. Lata sings lovely songs. Basically, this video will be about only examples. Lata sings lovely songs. In this sentence, Lata is the subject, sings is the verb, lovely songs is the object. Now, Lata sings lovely songs. So, lovely songs object will come at the first. Lovely songs are sung. Sing. We will use the past form of sing, which is sung. As we are converting active into passive, are is used because she is not singing, she is not supposed to sing only one song. She is singing more than one song. Any singer would sing more than one song. So, lovely song are sung by Lata. Subject will come as it is. By is the keyword. In my previous video, I told you that by is the keyword for the passive sentences. We have to use it at any cost because passive sentence indicate the user. So, you have to use by. Now, we didn't grow rice. So, passive will be rice is object, is not grown, grow is verb, by again the keyword, we will be converted into us. Rice is not grown by us. So this will be the translation from active to passive. This is how you change the voice. You need to remember the tense and of course the keyword by and the format. Subject, verb and object, object, verb and subject. Now respect your elders. Basically this kind of sentence is like an order. Respect your elders. So elders should be because you are giving an order, so it must be at addendum or it is compulsory. Elders should be respected by you, or elders should be respected. If you write only, it will be correct. Now people will admire him. Him will change into he. It is object. He will helping verb, be the keyword, be admired by the, or you can write like this, by people. He will be admired by people. As I have done this by people in a bracket, you may be wondering why have I written by people in bracket. I have written this so because he will be admired by people. By people is like a common thing. Neither cats or dogs will admire him. He will be only admired by people. So if you are writing this, since the sentence is also correct, if you remove this, the sentence will be correct. The government will pardon him. Him is the object, which here becomes he. He will be pardoned. Pardon is the verb. By the government. Because the government is the subject. He will be pardoned by the government. This is the change from active to passive. Now we will learn about passive to active change. The mice are killed by cat. Mice is the plural form of mouse. Since we are using are, killed by cat means that mice are no more. They are already being killed by cat. So mice are object and cat is subject. In passive voice, object, verb and subject. Let me write here so that it would be easy for us. Verb, subject. So object is the mice, are, killed is the verb, cat is the subject. If it's converted into active, the cat, here cat, it will come the cat. Killed will become kills because always the passive kind of sentence are in past form and this active sentence are in present. The cat killed, kills the mice. The mice is object, it will come as it is. So this is how you change passive to active. Let's have look at few more examples. My purse will have been stolen by someone. Let me tell you the feel of this sentence. Like you are about to fall in a pit, but you didn't fall. You are just saved by someone. So you will say, I was just about to fall in the pit, but you have not fallen. In like the sentence, my purse will have been stolen by someone. It is not stolen. It could have been stolen. So in this case, my purse will be object. Someone will be the subject and will have been, basically stolen will be the verb. Will have been will be the helping words. Now if we change it into active, someone is the subject, come in first. Someone will have been, as I told you, in past or future. Now in present, will have stolen my purse. Someone will have stolen my purse over here. Someone will have stolen my purse will be in active. Now another example. A letter will be written by him. A letter means like you are about to write something. Like in this sentence, he is about to write the letter. A letter is object, will be written by him. Him is subject and written is verb. Now in active, he. Him will change into he and here will be subject. He will write a letter. Written will be converted into write. A letter will come as it is. Will means he will be writing a letter. So now fourth example or another example. The bone was eaten by dog. The bone was eaten by dog means the dog has already eaten the bone. So the bone will be object, was eaten will be the verb and dog will be the subject. The dog here ate, verb, eaten, ate. In active voice we will use ate. The bone, object. The dog ate the bone. Now last example. Jack is helping Joe. This sentence is in present continuous, means he has not finished helping or he will not be helping. He is right now helping Joe. So in the sentence, Jack is the object, Joe is the subject and helping is the verb. So Joe, subject come at the first, is being helped by Jack. Joe is being held by Jack. So this is the passive to active change. So that was for all today, my friends. If you love to watch my videos, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel.